Emma and I'm a third year film and media student here at the University of Stirling. This year I'll be going on a semester abroad for my second semester, so I'm moving back into student accommodation on campus just for the first semester that I'm here. I'm coming from Kent in the southeast of England, so it's a long journey. It's an 8-hour drive, so I'll be vlogging my journey up here as well as my moving day and me decorating my room. I'm just about to set off. I've stopped off at McDonald's for breakfast, and then I also stocked up on snacks. Just had my first pit stop. I've managed to make it, I think, just under 3 hours. I've just had about a half an hour break, but I'm gonna go back at it. I've got 5.5 hours left. Okay, I've officially made it to Scotland. I've got an hour and a half left. I've had my last stop. Honestly, it's not been too bad. I left at 11 and it's now 7 o'clock. I'm feeling tired, but not bad at all. I'll check in with you once I'm in Stirling again. Okay, so it's the next day after my travel day. I'm feeling tired, but okay. So I'm currently staying with my 2 friends. I'll be staying with them until I move into my halls in a couple of days' time. So that was me sort of in the midst of unpacking. I've done that now. I'm still yet to decorate. I've got a few pictures and things that I want to put up on this wall to try and make it a bit more personal. So I need to do that. Everything else is starting to look a bit more homey. I'll give you a little tour. My sink area here, and then my desk. I've got a few little decorations up here, including my disco ball actually. I've got an over the door mirror. I would highly recommend one of these because it can hook over any door. Okay, this is my wardrobe space. I have a lot of stuff. Big winter coats because it gets very cold up here. So actually lots of storage space, and I've still got, so these 3 drawers here, these are full of my clothes, and I've still got 2 of these bottom drawers empty. This trolley, highly recommend. Even more space. I sort of use mine as a bedside table as well. This is my bed area. This is the wall that I'm planning on decorating. I've actually got a poster from the poster sale that they hold on campus during Welcome Week every year. I would so recommend getting one of these. So yeah, that's always great to go down there. And I've also got, I'm thinking of today of going down to the plant sale. I've got a spare plant pot that I need to fill. I'm gonna do a collage on my wall, so I'm gonna put my poster up. I'll show you guys that when I'm done. Okay, so I'm sort of getting my stuff out, ready to do my collage. I've got a few postcards, some Polaroids. I've got a load of pictures in here, printed out, and like more Polaroids, photo booth things, lights. So I'm hoping, and then obviously my poster from the sale. I'm hoping I'll be able to do something on this wall, a little collage. And then maybe do fairy lights around it. Me all moved in now. I've got my decorations up here. I just need to put fairy lights up, but the one thing I did, I think I remembered absolutely everything, The one thing I did forget was command hooks to hang fairy lights up. I tried like using blue tack or white tack and it just wouldn't hold, they're too heavy. So I need to go and buy that. Other than that, I'm pretty sure I remembered absolutely everything. It was really strange moving back into halls actually. It felt very similar to first year. I've got 4 flatmates and then me, so there's 5 of us in the flat in total. Everyone's really friendly. I've got one friend that I already knew, and then everyone else we get on really well. So this semester should be fun, meeting new people. I really enjoy meeting new people. So meeting the new flatmates was a nice experience. Yeah, I think I've settled in okay actually. So I've moved up and down like 3 times out because it's my 3rd year. So I've done the journey 3 times with all my stuff. I think the main thing I've learned is it's probably better to overpack. I usually bring quite a bit of stuff with me because I like wherever I'm staying to feel homey. I like to make myself feel at home. So I always bring decorations to put up that I had in my bedroom at home and pictures. So that would be my biggest tip. Bring things that will make your space feel like your space. So I hope you enjoyed, guys. Hopefully I will be doing some more videos about my preparations for going to Hong Kong on my semester abroad. So hopefully you'll see some more of me before then.